Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time I've been on here. Life has gotten busy, work and other things has been going on. And I haven't been able to come on here and give an update on my DIY braid locks. As you can see, is growing. Um, some quick updates I did on this. I did take down some that were a little bit bigger than others, and I was able to make them a little bit smaller. So I have more now than when I started. Um, it's been about 2 months now. I've had this braid locks installed, and currently I am retightening, self-retightening. As you can see, I've done some part here. So usually what I do, I maintain it, I do 4 rotations. So I'll just show you a little bit of what I do. So I put my hair in there and I wrap it around. That way I could hold the retightening tool. So I start from the right. You might not be able to see that, but so I start from the right. I put in my tool on the right. Put that through. Then I put it from the bottom here. Put that through. And that's what it looks like. Then I go from the left hand side. And I put that through here. So it's, as you can see, it's tight enough like I want it. So I pick any loose hair around it and I twist it. I twist it onto the hair. So that one is done. And so this is what I do for the rest of the hair until I am done retightening it. I'm struggling with my edges because my hair is short at the edge here. So that makes it a little bit difficult retightening, and sometimes it unravels. The ones at the edge here unravels. But apart from that, the hair has been going great. The experience has been wonderful. Um, and I'll keep updating you. I've had some mishaps while retightening it. I've had a situation where I retightened the two uh, braid locks together, and I tell you that's not interesting. I wouldn't wish that on anyone, but so far so good. I've been doing so well in the retightening and maintenance. This is what the back looks like, and I've also seen some little bit of length. Um, and the move, I could also see it like in the movement, it's getting a little bit fuller. Um, I usually, I'm gonna make a video to show you how I style it. Sometimes. So, well, that will be all, guys. Just stay on this page, and I'm gonna show you how. So as you can see, yeah, I do have some good amount of length now. So I'll show you how I do the rest, like styling it. I didn't wash it for, I don't wash it as often as 4 weeks. So sometimes 4 weeks, sometimes a little bit above it. I wash it and retighten it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. We've come to the end of the video. I'll try as much as possible to keep updating you guys, and currently I have installed my braid locks on one of my daughter's hair, and I'm currently installing braid locks on the other of my daughter's hair. I'll likely possibly show you what their hair looks like a before and after. I'm able to make a video of that process. If not, I'll get you guys while retightening the hair. All right, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate all the support. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.